light with 7,000 lumens at 5000K daylight color temperature, equivalent to a 515 watt incandescent light, IP66 waterproof and durability, compatible with the following junction boxes. The installation steps are as follows. Step 1. Loosen the fixing bolts on the enclosure. There are 4 bolts. Open the enclosure and detach the mounting panel. Lead the household wires. Step 2. Fix the mounting panel onto the junction box and secure it with the M4 mounting set. Pay attention to the position of the hooks. These can help hook the wall pack light and free your hands during installation. Step 3. Hook the enclosure onto the mounting panel. Step 4. Strip the wires approximately 9.5 millimeters with a suitable tool. For more water resistance, use electrical tape to wrap visible twists of the wire's metal core with several layers afterwards. Close the enclosure and tighten the fixing bolt afterwards. Ensures the wires are not compressed.